Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit ha penat kam da ka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course hospital training hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam haki hospital bahedo India but shabari na banta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot lani khandai pran riu license arn riwe khandai pra.
I think it is good for me to go for the progress of the Mscw State Commission for Women and
Kakong Phidalia toy kalapentip bakan Resaiñ no kum ka Chaiperson jong ka Phidalia State Commission for Women hadin bakalami ka jingya shrun bad menteri ka tanat social welfare ka sarkar jalla uba poleng do haka jingya kran bak ka Batisi TV haka arpulai trik ujliu ar hazar arpulai Kakong Phidalia toy kala yathu bakala yo jingtip shapang ka jingsha weng nakashuki Chaiperson jong ka Phidalia State Commission for Women tangna kila pathai khubor bad hadin artli ki kerwo khubor bala pha shikila pathai khubor ka sarkar kala panjing penshai naka lingba ka show cause notice Shushu kala ong batang hadin balapha ya ka jingpen shai shaka sarkar hadin ka tu ka nipor kan sa ino ya ka ni ka shuki da ka baya selok shwa bat kinong ya sai anjong ka
came to know of my removal from the press only, and after 2 press statements I got a show cause notice from the government. So after that clarification from the board, he is still adamant to give that press statement, which is incorrect. So today I had sent the response to the show cause notice, and after some times I will tender my resignation. I don't want to work in a toxic atmosphere because this friction will bring only an unconducive environment, and I think it is good for me to go for the progress of the Mscw State Commission for Women and for the interest of the women community. I have to resign, but I will take a decision what to do after my consultation with my lawyers. Looking at what the minister had done, I think this is an abuse of power, and I take it as a discrimination, gender bias, and character assassination. So I will see what to do next.